Hello everyone! Today I'm going to make lemon jelly. So while watching the video, try to fill in the blanks by choosing the right words from the box below. So are you guys ready? Let's get started! Scrub the lemons with baking soda, then rinse them well with water. Cut the lemons in half. Separate the peel from the lemon flesh. Squeeze the lemons to extract the juice.
A few moments later.
Use a strainer to remove seeds and pulp. Add gelatin powder and sugar in warm water and stir until dissolved. Mix the lemon juice with the gelatin mixture. Pour the mixture into the lemon peel mold. Refrigerate for at least 2 hours to set. Cut into bite-sized pieces and enjoy!